All right, guys, we got a 2001 Chevy Corvette. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Here's sound decibels. Right at 91 again. So it's factory right now. Again. All right, so what we're gonna do, he brought his own kit, a Billy Boat exhaust. There'll be a link in the description if we can get it for you guys. We'll get you the part number on it. All right, we'll let you hear it after. The exhaust, the Billy Boat. We're gonna replace the mufflers, which go here and here, and replace it with this. Stay tuned. All right, guys, 2001 Chevy Corvette. We showed you guys what it sounded and looked like before. There's the old exhaust on the ground, right there. What we got done on it, factory converters there, secondary converters there. Then, got a factory H-pipe on it. And then Billy Boat axle back exhaust. Goes over the rear end there and there. Then it goes around there. There's two mufflers, one muffler here, or resonator here. Then it goes in an odd shape across on each side, 3-inch system into some quad tips. Really clean, really nice. It's really nicely done. Billy Boat exhaust on a Corvette. There's the stock exhaust that was on it that we took off, as you guys can see. And there's the old box on paperwork and everything that was in it before. That's what it looks like after. Looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. He just got it last night in the mail and came right to us today. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. I want to keep saying 2021. I don't know why. 2001 with Billy Boat exhaust. I get the golf clap, huh? Good, good. Go ahead. Here's the idle on it. That sounds really nice. Here's sound decibels. Again. Not bad. 110. That's clean. Again. Go ahead and back it out. A little tip. A little tight. Man, that sounds really nice. It's deep. I like it. I like those lights on it too. They're different. Let you guys hear on the inside. Oh, one vet with Billy Boat exhaust.